I am so excited for today's video, okay? I am so excited and so grateful that FabFitFun chose to work with me as a 2020 fall campus rep. So a lot of you guys probably thought that Christmas only comes once a year. However, when you have a FabFitFun subscription, Christmas comes literally every season to your doorstep. I'm so excited to open my box. I have literally been seeing ads for this box everywhere. I think my FBI agent is on to me. I don't even know what's inside of this box, but like literally the box itself is so cute. This box is valued at over $200 with all full-size products inside. However, you can get it for just $39.99 when you use my coupon code Catherine10. All right, let's just get into this box. I'm so excited. The very first thing I see is 10 free HelloFresh meals with a purchase from HelloFresh, which is not a problem because I literally eat HelloFresh already twice a week. I'm moving into my college apartment in less than 2 weeks, and I am definitely going to be needing these meals. So I know all of the boxes basically come with this magazine. So this magazine is basically just filled with all of the things that could possibly be in your box for the season. It also has the value of all of the products, so you can really see how much money you're saving. Ooh, personalized wine. I'm not 21, so I might just give this to my mom. Okay, wait, this is actually kind of crazy. I really want to try this. So this is basically called Crease Release, and it's a spray that's supposed to remove wrinkles. I mean, this would be something really cool to have, especially in your dorm, because who wants to bring an ironing board? Okay, I know what these are because I've literally seen them in all the ads. I literally went online trying to figure out like what was in this box because I was just so excited to open it. So these are blue light glasses and they're so cute. These are literally so cute. I can't really show you them without them reflecting the light, but I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of these, especially with the majority of my classes being online this semester. Guys, it's honestly so important to use blue light glasses because if you're sitting looking at your computer all day, you will get a headache. And I think these ones are a lot cuter than the ones I already have, because they also look like they could just be real glasses. Like you could just be sitting in the library and like, I don't know. I like these a lot. Oh, this is what I need. Tranquility Sleep Mist, because I never sleep at night. So this sleep mist has witch hazel, which protects your skin and improves softness. It has lavender oil in it. And it also has rice water, which is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins B and E, which also help purify and smooth your skin. It says that it's good for all skin types, so that's also really cool. Oh, this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and it's vegan. So, I mean, ooh, shower gel. Okay, this is helpful because I am actually out of shower gel right now. That's disgusting. Ooh, this has like a really nice fall scent to it. I'm so excited to use this. It also has aloe in it, which I love. This has like a pumpkin-y, like warm vanilla sugar kind of vibe to it, and I'm all for it. This is also vegan and cruelty-free as well, which is really cool. This is the stress relieving hair oil. I mean, this box is basically just filled with the things that you didn't know you needed. So you basically just massage it into your scalp and then you shower like about an hour later, and it's supposed to relieve all of your stress. Once again, that sounds great. This product is also cruelty-free, it's vegan, no sulfates, parabens, chemicals. It's also 100% natural, it's made in the US. Okay, I literally just read the French side. For what reason, I don't know. Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. It's going to help you get smaller looking pores, tackles your pores, and helps new blackheads from forming. Ooh, this is cute. So this is a mason jar hydration kit. What does this do? Oh, I love that this has like a little koozie. Is that what they're called? This is so cute. This is basically just like a water bottle, but it's also like a mason jar. I've been needing a new water bottle, and this is also small enough to fit in the side pocket of my bag. Also, I love the color. So this is the last thing in the box, which is a little bag. Ooh, this is cute. I really like the material. It's like, this is like an actual like purse backpack kind of deal. I either have my Herschel backpack or I have my purses, and I don't have anything in between, so this is great. So my camera died, but I did want to finish out the video and say that I am so grateful that I got to work with FabFitFun. I think all of these products for only $39 is such a steal. Make sure you guys check out my coupon code. I'm gonna have it right here and in the description box. I am most excited to try the wrinkle spray. I think that's gonna be really cool. And I think I'm gonna get the most use out of probably like the blue light glasses or the water bottle. I know for a fact that the shower gel is going to be gone in no time, but I'm really excited to try all of this stuff out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I try any of this stuff out, I'll try to vlog it for you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.